Johnny, could you leave the room? Kidding, I'm kidding. You were great on your routine. Everyone's still laughing at you. That's what everybody says with it. You understand? Gail, you have some children. You have, how many children do you have? 3. Okay. One of your children, I want to take you back to a time that's very precious to you, and as is most women, when you have birth of that child. Okay? Picture yourself in the hospital room, just like it was yesterday, which I'm guessing, what, 20 years ago? That's called brownie points. Little longer now. Oh, give or take a year. You gave birth to this child, and the child's name, a simple name, correct? I'm going to try to ask you some questions, and I'm going to try to figure out the name of the child that you're thinking of. Okay? Just bear with me. You can, and here's the tricky part. You can answer me truthfully, or you can lie. So basically, you can lie, or you can tell the truth. Whatever comes easier.
She's good at both.
Could you tell me, is it even a girl? Boy. Now that I know it's a boy, I'm sorry, 50-50 chance. It's a lot more clear to me. Take that shot, everybody, please. Is that your son's name? Can you shout everybody? Errol, thank you. There was one other thing. I asked you to think about a time when this child was born. Could you, for the first time, say the time that you had this child? Please, just say it out loud. 9:04 a.m. or p.m.? Nothing in my hands. Nothing in my hands. My wallet. It's been in front of us the whole time. Right? Ever since I got here. Luckily, nobody stole it. The next thing.
I don't know, I seen Johnny up there.
Yeah. That's why nobody said something. Wow. That's what I got. Hold that. Who?
Oh, that was wrong.
Huh? In my wallet, I've got a photo that my wife took a couple days ago. Could you hold that in your hand? Let me have this back. Could you show it? Walk up. Show it to everybody, please. Just walk up. Walk up front, please. Can you show it to everybody?
I can't even see it.
Last one. What time does that say? The photograph. What's it say?
Just assume it's
Really?
9:04.
I'm assuming.
What's it say?
Every day.
You really can't see it?
I really
What's that say?
9:04.
9:04. Is that what time you had your child? 9:04. You said that, right? Thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, thanks for the opportunity. I appreciate everything. Thank you, Gail. You did great.
How about me?